Welcome back to class 10 students. Today in this video we will discuss about exercise 6.2 triangles. Okay? So before starting I would like to explain you BPT, the most important theorem of this chapter, that is basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem. So what's the theorem, students? If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. And this theorem you can consider as Thales theorem also. Thales theorem. Okay. So what's the theorem? That if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. Let's draw a triangle first of all. And if a line is drawn parallel to one side, I'm going to take the line parallel to this A, B, C. I'm going to take the parallel line as D, E, which become parallels to BC. It is given. Then if lines are parallels and that line which is parallel to third side, no, it must cut the other two sides at distinct points. Then what's the theorem? If lines are parallel, then two sides are divided in the same ratio. It means what you have to prove, that AD upon AB, AD upon DB would be equals to AE upon EC. AD upon DB would be equal to AE upon EC, right? First thing is this. Second, AD upon AB would be equals to AE upon AC. Means proportion means this upon this is equals to AE upon EC. AD upon AB is equals to AE upon AC. This is the theorem. Whenever the sides are parallel to you, that what is a line drawn parallel to third side and intersect other two sides at 2 points, then the sides which are divided, no, they become in proportion, same ratio. That AD upon DB would be equal to AE upon AC, or AD upon complete AB or AE upon complete AC would be equal. Okay, so this is the theorem. The proof of theorem BPT I will explain you other video, but in this theorem you just try to understand this theorem and we will discuss the questions only. The first type of question is this, students, that one triangle is given to you and it is told that DE is parallel to BC. This is also given. So on the basis of BPT, by using BPT you have to find the third side, right? EC. This is also given, this one is also given, this one, and this you have to find. So if lines are parallel, by using BPT you can say that AD upon DB would be equals to AE upon EC, right? This would be equal. So if AD upon DB would be equal to AE upon EC, what's the value of AD over here? It is 1.5. DB, it is given in the question, 3 centimeter. AE 1, EC we don't know. So after the cross multiplication, you can find the value of EC. It would be 3 into 1 divided by 1.5. When you will solve it, EC would be 2 centimeter. Clear? So this is the first type of question. And second part of this question also you can do like this only. You can take it as X. This you have to find AD. So you can take AD as X. So what will be the formula? X upon 7.2 would be equals to 1.8 upon 5.4. Right? When you will solve it, no, you will find X as 1.8 into 7.2 divided by 5.4. And when you will solve it, AD would be 2.4 centimeter. So this is the first type of question you will get in this exercise. Next type of question is, one quadrilateral is given to you ABCD, in which LM is parallel to BC. It is given to you. These are parallel. Okay, and LN is parallel to DC. These both are parallel. So whenever the parallel lines are given, you can use BPT in triangles, as you know very well. So I will use triangle ABC to prove in triangle ABC, where I will go. Simply, when both lines are parallel, the sides become in proportion. That is, AM upon MB would be equals to AL upon LC. AM upon MB would be equals to AL upon LC by using BPT, basic proportionality theorem only. And now in triangle ADC, when I will go in this triangle ADC, what is given? These lines are parallel, no? Whenever the lines are parallel, what you can take, AN upon ND would be equal to AL upon LC. AN upon ND is equals to AL upon LC, right? This is also by using BPT in this triangle. So this is the first equation. This one is the second. Both are equals to AL upon LC, no? AL upon LC, right? This is also equal to AL upon LC. This one is also. From first and second, you can say that both are equal to same thing only. So you can say that AM upon MB would be equal to AN upon ND, right? I think if I'll do reciprocal of both the terms, you must not have any problem because it's the same thing only. अगर मैं इसका भी रेसिप्रोकल कर दूँ इसका भी, तो आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए बिकॉज दोनों साइड रेसिप्रोकल कर रही हूँ मैं. एम बी अपॉन ए एम इज इक्वल्स टू एन डी अपॉन ए एन, राइट? Both are equal only, reciprocal. MB upon AM, ND upon AM. The same thing it is, right? Now you can add 1 to both the terms, right? Because I'm going to add to both the terms, no, there will not be any problem. Now just take the LCM. AM and 1, LCM would be AM. And here MB plus here AM after taking the LCM. AN plus 1, AM would be the LCM. ND plus AM, right? MB plus AM would be MB plus AM would be AB, right? So for this top numerator, I'm going to write AB. AB upon AM is equals to ND upon AN would be ND upon AN would be AD. So I'm going to write AD over here. AD upon AN. So AB upon AM is